In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then you need to tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Take a pic and it will be automatically added, so you can send it instantly. To add a photo you've taken before, scroll down and click on the chosen ones here. Then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!